Do you know about the Truck Parking Club? Well, if you don't, I'm going to tell you all about it. You can download the Truck Parking Club app on Android or iPhone. You can simply go to their website, truckparkingclub.com, or their phone number, should you choose to dial it, is 888-899-PARK, 888-899-PARK. So, what Truck Parking Club is, it allows people with extra space, and we happen to have one space here that's usually available. Now, we can't park a trailer, but we can park a bobtail truck. And what the Truck Parking Club allows people to do is kind of like an Airbnb for truck parking. So there are some people that have truck parking that have hundreds of spots. Some people have one, some people have two. We happen to have one. And so check it out. If you're looking for truck parking, kind of like an Airbnb, check out truckparkingclub.com. And the guest we happen to have here has been here for a couple of days. And what I learned about him, I don't know his name, I'm actually going to give him a hat here, is that he actually lives in New York, lives in Long Island, but drives out of Atlanta. So what he does is he checks into the Truck Parking Club and will book a spot. We're ideal because we're very close to the airport, the Atlanta Hartsfield Airport. Only a $10 Uber ride away. He drops his truck off, gets a cheap flight back to New York, spends time at home with his family, and then takes a flight back. When he's going to pick up a load the next day, Uber's over here for a couple of bucks, gets a pizza delivered, hangs out. He'll be out of here back making money tomorrow. Now, again, we're not the only member of the Truck Parking Club. There are hundreds of them, and they're getting more of them every day. But definitely download the Truck Parking Club app and check it out. Also, I don't get paid to make this announcement, or I'm not sponsored by Truck Parking Club. There's kind of cool cats doing a pretty neat thing. They're a company out of Georgia, which is, we want to support the locals here any way we can. But they do have truck parking coast to coast, and they're adding more spaces every single day because we all know how hard it is to find good, reliable, safe truck parking. That's it. And before I go, make sure you check out truckparkingclub.com. Like, follow, share, because I just want to be loved. And jump over to YouTube and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I've said that before.